So we're out back at it. Got about 50 acres in this bottom. I'm completely full. Jake, he's down over there on the other side of that tree line. I gotta go grab his header with the feed truck. Jeffrey's full. He's gonna go unload the cart on, I believe it's Chuck. He's up there waiting. So we're gonna get with it today. Hopefully have a good day and be closer to being done with bean harvest. Unloading. Jake's over there throwing a lot of dust. Back to the grain cart. Got a little bit of Jeffrey over there doing his thing, making sure I don't spill beans. Hopefully we fill him up with one shot. Probably not though. Don't be close. He's got me really close. We have a washout. It's not looking good in this section. And I got beans dragging a little bit because it's so damn short. Oh man, we're getting closer. There he goes, off to the truck or over to Jake. See ya. See you in about 5 more minutes. We got long rows, so it's not taking very long. These rows are pretty long, but it's a little faster to get full on long rows than short rows. Can you see through that dirty window? Yeah, me neither sometimes. She's a little dusty. Had a little bit better moisture this morning. I think they were at like 12. Better than 8 and 9, so. So far, about average. At least they, they're not terrible, where it takes forever to get a load. There is no air in this bottom, as you can tell. It's like it's just floating leaves and everything in front of me. Good times. We're unloading. This is the kind of the best part about auto steer. You can eat as you unload. That's the only reason why we use it out here. Nothing else. No other reason. Good afternoon. I will be back. Phone calls. We're pushing our 200 today. It's been a battle though. I broke my sickle section in half. And then Jake just broke his cutter bar on the outside corner, it sounded like. So he's up there gonna go get a trailer, load it up. We gotta weld that back together. I got mine back together. I just spliced it together and it started running. I don't know how long it's gonna run, but we ain't got much left. I'm hoping it'll at least last the rest of the bean season. Like 400 acres. So, hoping that it'll definitely hold together. But we'll see. They ain't as bad tonight though as they were last night. I mean, the wind's blowing a little bit to the left tonight, so although we still got a lot of sickle bar shatter going on down there. getting really tough though. It's about almost 7:30, and my power bar is trying to max out. We've been running about 4 miles an hour. Now I got to run about close to 3.5 to 3.3. So we'll see if we can get at least a cart full, and then we'll probably call it a night. Hopefully we'll get that fixed up tomorrow. I think we're gonna take off tomorrow, the way it sounded anyway, so give everybody a break. Because we've been going for about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We haven't had any rain, so we haven't really had a break anyway, so. But don't really want to do it because you never know when the weather changes. We probably need it. We probably need to take a day off and repair some stuff. So we got a couple things that need fixed for sure. We've just been kind of milking it, I guess. Hopefully it will make it through, but probably better fix it now while we're off. So, but other than that, finish this 10 acres, I think I got left. I got more than that here, but 10 acres, and then the cart's probably gonna be full. So we're gonna fill the cart and go. This is where we catch the grain cart driver taking a nap. When the auger's out. What do you know? Hey, bud. Come on. Come on. I think you realize it's out now. Come on, boy. Get out of the auger now. This is what you call strongman. Pushing tree limbs out the way. He got her. No struggle. A battle. Has about 30 acres left, and well, I broke the left side sickle bar the other day, and today I broke the right side. And we kind of well, heck, I already lost the bolt. Rubbed the bolt out of it. She's pretty bent right here, but it broke here, and it's gonna have to get changed. And Jake, he broke his cutter bar we welded the other day. He broke it. So we got her done though. So we're unhooking. We're going back to corn tomorrow, thank goodness, because I'm tired of cutting beans. And I got a rip in my belt too. That's nice. Oh boy, look at that. I got 2 rips. Nice. Nice. I'm ready for bean harvest to be over. All right, let's get the truck.